subject English Grammar, Standard 4. Hello students, my name is Shruti Nanaure.
Dear children, it is necessary or essential for an individual to behave in a responsible manner, acceptable to the society. People around us must not feel embarrassed by a behavior. Along with the responsible behavior, we must also behave in a sensitive manner. Sensitive means to be cautious and understand other people's feeling, problems and need. God has given us two hands, one for helping ourselves and other hand for helping others. So let us learn and understand our today's chapter. Well, we all have certain responsibility to be fulfilled. Let us now make ourselves aware of what are our responsibilities. Our responsibilities towards old people, patient and people with special needs.
We all live with old people or are related to them. They play a very significant role in bringing up the children in our family. Our grandparents feel happy when we speak to them lovingly, understanding their needs and leading them emotional support to them. Keep them jobbling, which is inevitably their ideal way to live a healthy life. The only pastime of old people is talking to their children and grandchildren.
Now, let us see what are our responsibilities towards old people. Due to old age, they cannot play or run with us, but they often need our help for their daily chores. That is, small tasks like fetching things from the market or removing pins from the lift. They even need our help for threading the needle. We should help them while crossing the road. We should serve them food, take them for a round on a wheelchair, and spend some time with them. Doing such things with them will be a great help to them. We should not play with TV or music loud. We should talk to them and spend some time with them to make them happy and feel better.
Now let us have a glance over our responsibilities towards the patient. We all wish for a patient to get well soon. We must keep them happy and we need to be polite and kind and helpful to them. The foremost thing is taking a patient to the doctor for a regular checkup. We should always take the patient to the doctor and strictly follow the instructions given by him. Taking medicines and consulting a doctor is a very important thing for a patient. We should not stop the patient from taking medicines immediately if the patient feels better. Taking a positive view can also have a huge difference in the recovery from the illness. All these things can help us and the patient to get well soon.
Responsibilities towards patient or person with illness. In case of accident, we should first give the first aid to the patient and immediately take them to the hospital or a primary health center. You may have seen people believing in talisman and amulets. We must not depend on talisman and amulets. What are talisman? In talisman are the objects that are believed to have magical powers which can cause good things happen to a person who has it. And amulets, an object given by tantrics which are worn by a person against illness and bad vibes. If they also believe that mantras and tantras can heal a person, but when the person is sick, he should go for medication and not for all these things. Responsibilities towards people with special needs. Physically handicapped people. Handicapped means people having defect in their body. This may be due to illness or accident, or sometimes a person is also born with it. Such person need assistance to work properly. It is our responsibility to provide special services and assistance to them. Polio Eradication Program. Polio. You have heard the word polio. Yes, polio was once a disease feared worldwide, striking suddenly and paralyzing hundreds and thousands of children every year. Soon after the introduction of effective vaccination in 1950, however, the polio was brought under control and practically eliminated here in India. Campaign against polio was carried out with dedication over many years. WHO, that is World Health Organization, has even praised India for its achievement. You may have heard a phrase, Do Boon Zindagi Ke. This phrase is related to polio eradication awareness program carried out by the government of India. Responsibility towards people with special needs. There are people who cannot see. They also need our help. Blind people use white cane which help them to walk freely in public places. You may have seen that while blind people using their cane and touching the things, this helps them to recognize the hurdle in their way. In schools and universities and even some public places, you often see a concrete slope next to the stairs. You know why this slope is there? This slope is called a ramp. It makes it possible for the person on a wheelchair to climb the building. It is our duty to treat people with such special needs with care, whether these facilities exist or not. In earlier slide, we talked about the people with special needs. Yes, blind people. These people have difficulty in reading and writing. Books, Braille script is a writing system developed for them. Louis Braille was the person who hurt his eyes and became blind when he was 3 years old. He found a way of printing books for the blind. The letters in such books are made of raised dots. People who cannot read book with their eyes used to read the books with the help of their fingers. By feeling the dots, they can recognize the letters and read the book. Blind people can even type such letters. So this is a Braille script and a blind person can read and write using the script. More than 100 years ago, a little girl named Helen Keller became deaf and blind. After an illness, her teacher, Annie Sovelin, taught her how to read and write Braille. She also taught her the use of hands to speak to other deaf and blind people. She spent her life working for the blind people. We had seen the people who cannot see. Now let us see how the people who cannot hear live. For them, there is a sign language. People who cannot hear use sign language. They are taught how to lip read to follow other people. What are the people saying? Special sign news programs are also telecasted for these types of people. You may have seen people doing using their hands and showing instructions or giving instructions. Seeing that the person who cannot hear tries to recognize what the person is telling and he can reply to them. See children, sign language are very useful for the deaf people. Deaf people can express themselves or even understand others' feeling by using the sign language, by lip reading. This is the language that helps them to connect with the world around them.
So, students, hope you have understood our today's lesson. So, keep learning and stay safe. Thank you.